Like playing video games for money, for fame. Wouldn't that be nice? Chat till you die. You like to listen to Jason, don't you lie? Chat till you die news. Today I have talked to a man who came to the studio and he said that he wants to repopulate the village and he is searching for women to do that. So he can serve mankind and repopulate the earth, you know. But one of our female callers said that she knows the guy and this is just a trick to get women. And this dude cannot be trusted. Still, even if it's a trick, I think it's a good idea. We need to repopulate the earth so I can tell you guys more news because I think we have only a few people listening to us sadly, and that is not good for business. Anyhow, the sun is going to shine on. It seems like it will shine on forever, and you who's listening to this station right now, shine on, my friend, and don't forget to chat even if you are dead. Chat till you die. I have a new car you might wanna try. Hello guys and welcome to Chat Till You Die. I just bought a new car. Well, I didn't buy it. I stole it from someone on the way to the studio, but I just like to pretend everything is normal like in the old times. I even filled out a sales contract. But seriously, the car is good. It's called Faltenberger. Wow, I'm pretty good at speaking German. Faltenberger. I might as well go get a job on Jason is yours to keep. But seriously, those Germans do know how to make good cars. I really like the smell of the smoke of a two-stroke engine. It reminds me of my childhood. Well, I didn't have any childhood actually because I was kept in a basement for 4 years, but whenever I heard my dad starting his two-stroke car, I know that he went away, and that meant no beatings that day. So maybe this is where beatings come from. But back on topic, I actually have the Gewaltig version of the car, which is lots of fun. I can even fit my mother-in-law in it if I would want that, but I don't want that. And this was not a paid promotion, I just promoted it because I like it, okay? Put on your tie and get ready to fly. Chat till you die. This is Chat till you die, and I'm Jason, and I'm so happy that so many of you are listening to my show. I just literally talk, chat, and have fun with you guys. That is just about it. But still, somehow, I get many calls from all around the world, all around the desert, that you like my show so much. Can I ask why? Oh, I know, because all of you like to chat till you die. So today I want to talk about politics. No, don't be scared. I know most people find it boring, and what it is. I don't want to talk about dry politic stuff actually. I want to talk about my view on politics, my relation to it, my friends' relations to me regarding politics. Because, you know, every time I tell them I don't care about it, they usually say, hey, you must care about it. It's your life you're talking about. Because, you know, politics affect your life. And you have to go vote and all that. Okay, I say fine, let's just imagine for a second that I care. And I go vote. So, no matter who I choose the wrong one. Because then the other group of my friends who hates the guy will be like, God, my man, you choose the wrong one. Of course, if I had voted for the other one, that would have been the bad one to my former group of friends. So, you know, I always tell them, guys, listen, things don't change, no matter who I vote for. But they say, of course things don't change because you don't vote. So it's like a dead end. I just really hate all of this. But what am I talking about? It didn't have to go to vote like 15 years ago. We don't even have politicians now because, well, I think most of them are dead. They literally chatted till they died. And to top it all off, you know what is the most weird thing for me? Like, all my life, I ever heard was my parents and all the relatives complaining about our leaders. There was never a time everyone was satisfied, and there never will be. I think this is true for the past 1,000 years or more. I mean, some of them are for sure like the ones that elect them and vote for them, but you can never satisfy all of the people. And they keep coming and saying, "We need change." And after that change happens, well, there is another group of people coming by saying, "We need change again." So, it is just pretty fucking annoying. Of course, we need to improve, to develop, and for that, we need constant change. But let's don't act like it will ever stop. I'm not too good at politics stuff, so I always say people should do what they do best. And if I am not good at politics, why should I talk about it? Why should I participate in it? I just don't want to. And maybe it would be good that people who are also not good in it wouldn't participate in it. That would make the world a better place, I guess. Well, if it wasn't for the apocalypse, and let's just imagine we are living in a normal world. Whatever normal means. This is Chat Till You Die. I was wondering if there's a special cause for this situation we are in right now. This after the end of the world scenario. Like, did a virus do this? Did some aliens just take away most of our water? What happened actually? Well, no one knows for sure, but I am sure as hell going to chat about this topic till I die. Talking about death, most of the scientists who are still alive are saying that there are only 300,000 people left on the whole planet now. This just came in right now, and that's, sad, but it's still a lot, a lot from a certain point of view. I mean, from my point of view. But still, I think we should see more of them. Where are they? I know most of them got mutated, so you can't really count them as human per se, but still, I think that is a big number. But what I wanted to say is that maybe we cannot quickly repopulate the Earth because we are so far away from each other, and no one dares to have sex anymore because the viruses fighting over fuel and resources. If you see a woman, you don't make love to her, you kill her and you take her fuel and her car. And you sure as hell have to do this, because if you don't, she is going to do the same to you, my man. Trust me. Chat till you die. This is Jason, and we have an interesting news for you today. Our scientists still don't know what caused the end of the world in 1979, but some researchers in Hungary had some interesting findings. They say their new experiments show that there is another timeline. I don't know if I have told you that already or not, but I really do. And you know what else I love? I love cars. Like, who was the genius that invented cars? I know, but I think that there was a lot of people together that invented it. I saw drawings of a 16th century, 17th century car. Well, it was planned at least. How amazing is that? People wanted to overcome great distances. And of course, horses were great. Without horses, we would not have evolved so quickly. But how weird is that? An animal sitting, riding on another animal to evolve, to develop. And after that, cars came. Maybe the most important, most biggest achievement of mankind, like ever. We take cars for granted now, but did you guys seriously think about it sometimes? You have to respect cars, my man. They drive your wife to the hospital to give birth. Yes, even if you have a rubber wife. And yes, I know since the apocalypse this is not common, but cars, trucks were used to get food from one place to another. Bring it to the stores, I think it's quite amazing. But what I would like to know is that how cars are gonna look like in the future. Will they be faster? Of course. Will they be louder? I think not. What about the shape, the forms? It is just a really interesting thing to talk about, What will they be made of? Plastic, plants, some new metal, The possibilities, as always, are endless. This is Jason, and you are listening to Chat Till You Die. Chat till you die. I'm concerned, folks, about these new rabbits. One of my colleagues said they are friendly, but I don't know, man, I just don't like their face. I never really thought about this before. Do animals have faces? If you look at your cat, the same type of cat, does it have the same face as the other same type of cat? What I mean? Like, look look at your dog. Buy another one that is the same as yours. Do they have different faces? What's wrong with the faces of these rabbits? I don't know, man. What's wrong with my face? Hey, give me a mirror, guys. Holy shit, who is this? Is this me? I didn't look at myself for so long. Maybe I forgot who I am. Is it really worth to live on like this? Should I try? Chat till you die. Chat till you die news. Today a man has been reported of chatting till he died. Same thing to other people. Why don't they notice this? But hey, I have some good news. Since we are living after the end of the world now, well, these people are all dead. Angry Greg likes people dead. Hypocrites. My God, where do I even start with these bastards? And what always bugs my mind, do hypocrites know they are hypocrites? Did ever just one of them admit it to being one? Well, that goes for all the other sayings too, you know, stuff like when you say, he's an idiot, and when you say, hey, George is a dumb guy. Does George know he is a dumb guy? Did ever just one person on earth acknowledge or admit that he's one of the above mentioned? I think not. But this is a topic for another time. Let's talk about hypocrites. Do any of you uneducated survivors know what that even means? Chances are, if you don't know what a hypocrite is, you are one. Oh, and by the way, by educated, I mean you can educate yourself at home too. Read some freaking books, look around, sit down, think, use your brain. That's what it's for, my man, or my woman. While I don't have any women, I don't like them, and I tell you why. They are also hypocrites. And I'm being honest, it is scientifically proven that more women are hypocrites than men. But that is an evolutionary reason. They have much higher expectations to live up to. And when they cannot live up to these aforementioned expectations, they pretend to live up to them, thus making them hypocrites. They become like weird-ass creatures transforming in the night under the moonlight. But let us not stray away from our main topic. Let me, Angry Greg, educate you a bit. So, hypocrisy is basically saying stuff and then not doing that stuff. Like preaching about eating healthy, and then you go home and eat the most unhealthy food you can just hope to find in your fridge. Pretending to be faithful and saying nasty things about people who have sex with a lot of people, then going home and spreading your legs for the post guy or the milkman. Or if you're a guy, telling everyone that you love your wife. And you tell everyone that all the other guys are dumb for thinking with their penises, and then you go out of town and you're putting your pee-pee into various women in various ways. So actually you are doing the exact If you have a dirty old car and you want to make it look better, jizz on it. Try our new product, the Jizz-O-Mate car polish. You just grab it with your hands, pull on it a few times, and boom, you already got some jizz on it. With our new powerful product, cleaning and making your car shiny is as easy as a breeze. It protects from rain, acid rain, volcanic ashes, atomic ashes. Hell, it even protects against terrorism. Jizz on it. If there is something wrong with it, just jizz on it. If you have a rusty old car and you need some oil, use the extra virgin car oil, available anywhere in the desert. It is smooth like your sexy girl's voice. It is the best lube for your car. Extra virgin car oil. Buy it or find it somewhere. Good for two-stroke engines also. This is Neon Synth Radio. The weather out there is almost as hot as me, my friends. Well, not really. I am much, much hotter than that. Last week we had a caller that said I sound like the guy from that shitty Steel Pants radio, but seriously, how can you say something like that? I mean, that dude is a douchebag and he has serious personality disorders or bipolar or bisexual stuff, or I don't know. And he even works alone because everyone hates him. I have so much co-workers and he has, guess what? None. Neon Synth Radio, FM 98.4. Some weather forecast for you guys. Mostly the weather will be sunny, just like my life and yours. Let's make it even better with one of my favorite songs. Jennifer, hit it. Neon Synth Radio, FM 98.4. Because I am happy, my friends. I am happy because I look good, I have a nice ass, and I have a beauty that lasts forever, you know. A lot of nice cool songs coming up. But first, let me talk to you guys about feeling sexy in this harsh environment. You know, just because it is the post-apocalyptic wasteland, you know, we don't have to look like shit that falls out of our asses. Well, if it falls out of my ass, it's good because my ass is sexy, you know. Don't forget to press B to poop out of your sexy nasty ass. Sorry guys, I didn't want to talk about pooping. No, pooping is gross. I wanted to talk about pooping in foreign places. You know, pooping at your girlfriend's house, pooping at your grandpa's house. But I mean, seriously, who is a grandpa these days? Speaking about pooping, do girls really not poop? I mean, I don't really care that much because of the girls, you know, but, you know, I cannot really talk about this maybe in the future. But do they fart? Seriously, girls, do you girls fart? Okay, sorry, Jennifer, I stopped. Okay, next song. Neon Synth Radio, the radio where even pooping is sexy. FM 98.4.
Do you live in the apocalypse?
Yeah?
Are you also sad that more than 90% of the population died, including women?
I guess so.
Do you miss your wife?
No.
We introduce the Rubber Wife 2000.
Whoa, it looks exactly like my wife did.
Of course it does, and it feels like your wife too.
Say, what? How do you know that?
The Rubber Woman 2000 comes in all shapes and sizes. You only got half the price? No problem, we can sell you half the wife.
What?
That's right, you heard it. If you only have the money for half a rubber wife, we give you half. We give you one without legs. Order now. With the new rubber technology, your rubber wife feels just like your real one did. No talking, no arguing, and her head never hurts. Give it a try. Say your wooden wife a big goodbye.
Whoa, it really feels like my old wife did.
Of course it does. Rubber Wife 2000, coming in stores near you. Do you have any stores near you? No? Well, you can order one through the phone also. Rubber Wife 2000. Watch out for the cacti.
Shine on like a disco ball, my friends. This is Shane, who is not profane. I was thinking about going shopping today when I realized all of my favorite shops burned down a while ago. I was hungry and I thought to myself, wow, I need a Vegemite sandwich. Then I realized I'm not in Australia. Oh well, back to eating some bugs. Bye, my friends. Lots of hugs.
This is Neon Synth Radio, FM 98.4. You know, last night I was out shopping. It was easy because the shop is abandoned. And I bought myself some new pants. No, not steel ones, but tight, hot ones. And they are hot, my man. They make my butt look like shiny, healthy, round apples, you know. Hey, you steel pants guy. Me. Jennifer, will you stop looking at my ass, please, and play the next song? So next song, coming up. Have a shiny, sandy, and windy and neon-like day, my friends. This is Neon Synth Radio, FM 98.4. You know, today coming to work, I saw a mother with one of those weird-looking, nasty European cars that needs oil in the gas tank, I guess. I tried to help her, but when she looked at me, I noticed that she had 3 eyes. Seriously, people these days. Looking at me like that, I just had to run away. But you cannot run away from good music, because our next song is one of my favorites. Come and taste it. Neon Synth Radio, FM 98.4.